Alright guys, so if you guys see my other vlog, you've seen that we were at Disneyland on Easter, so we didn't get to celebrate Easter and hide eggs with her. So today is just a random day. What is today? Thursday?
Yes.
Thursday, and we decided to celebrate with her today, just us. Right now the kids are in school and we're gonna hide her eggs, and I'm gonna give her Easter basket. Right here, there's stuff inside these eggs. Right now I told her not to look. Are you ready, Claire? Yeah. Alright, let's go see. Alright, ready? Come on. Here you go. You like it? Yeah. Need help?
Push it, Mama.
Did it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. You want to open those now?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. What is it? Oh! Oh! You need help? Oh, these are hard to open. Oh, look at what is it?
Your bag of chips.
What is it right up there? What you say?
You're not in there.
I'm
What?
about to eat them.
It's still good, huh?
So, you guys know we're celebrating Easter today. Well, we're just gonna hide eggs, not actually doing a barbecue and all that jazz. I'm gonna do a prank on my little brother. My older brother, he's not gonna look for eggs with us because he's too busy out there with his girl. Not a girlfriend, but like a girl friend. Something like that. I don't know. I don't want to book him. But anyways, we have confetti eggs. I'm gonna crack a real egg on him. Like when I'm almost done, I'm gonna crack it on his head. And we're gonna see his reaction. It's gonna be funny. Well, I think it's funny, but let's see what actually happens. But my husband right now is currently hiding the eggs for them so they can find their eggs with candies, and then we'll do the cracking ones, and that should be really fun. Crack them and throw them in the air.
You know what you should do? You should have did this next year. Put one raw egg, and you could crack it on that. That'll be a prank.
Okay.
A prank. There you go.
All right, let's just crack it and throw it up in the air.
We
like
should
a
do it
pig.
to Miguel.
Ready?
All right, ready? Here we go. Ready, Claire? Ready? Wait. Here we go. Ready? Set.
Go. You guys just seen that, and that was hilarious. It's funnier because he was telling us we should do that next year, and we actually already knew. But now he's gonna go do it. You know how I tell you guys my brother is with his friend outside? He's gonna go do it to him. So we're gonna record everything from far away though, because if we go there, he's gonna think it's so obvious.
Damn, son.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Got you, Miguel. Say hi. We got you, we got you. In front of your friend. You mad, bro? You mad? Hey guys, welcome to another day. Well, it's morning and it's a Saturday and I am in a good mood. I just had some good menudo, some good tamales, and you can tell I did. Now we're making some food and I'm gonna show you guys how I make my Mexican rice. I make it different from other people because
I make my own tomato sauce. And I know a lot of people, I used to even use cans, but when I met my mother-in-law, she showed me how to make my own tomato sauce, and it tastes way better, and I feel just better making my own, because sometimes in those tomato cans, like anything that's cans, like I really have a hard time trusting cans. Usually the only thing we eat from a can is usually just spaghetti sauce, because I still haven't learned how to do a really good spaghetti sauce. So if you guys have a good recipe, like, let me know where to watch it, because I would like to learn that. But here's how I do my Mexican rice. Fry it in there, and I'm frying it with coconut oil, and then I put water, I put, you see that garlic down there, and tomatoes. So I just put one tomato. One tomato is enough for like 2 cups of rice, and a little piece of onion as well. And in case you're wondering, this is the coconut oil. It's from Costco. I just recently purchased this, and I've been cooking with it for a while already, for like a week. And guys, it is literally just like any kind of oil, and it smells like coconut, but you don't taste it. But it's still a very good, it's better than regular oil. Now I'm gonna mix it on my Ninja. And just like that, you add it in there. Woo! Some garlic salt in there. About a good teaspoon of caldo con sabor de pollo, the powdery kind. Add another 2 cups of water. And I am just gonna let it boil. And once it boils, I like to put it very low on the fire. Alright, so right here we have them hot links ready to go. We're gonna grill those.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
These are the ones that we like to use, the Louisiana Burning Hot. Extra hot. Guys, they are spicy. So if you love spiciness, get those. Do you like spiciness?
Bruh.
Now I'm just gonna season the meat. Poppy seasoning. I got this one at Costco. And we're gonna have some bomb ass nopales because I love my nopales. We're gonna grill them just like that with a little bit of garlic salt and just. This is Rafi right here. I don't speak Spanish. Does your guys' kid also wake up grumpy ass F from a nap? Because I know she does. Say hi. No. Please. How you're gonna plant. You have to pull, you have to get them really good, but don't squish it, okay? Okay, and then you squish this, and then it comes out. Ready? And we're gonna put it in there. But first, we gotta make a hole. Make a hole in there. All right, here you go. Put it in there. I think we're gonna need a little bit more dirt. Just like that, and then Papa's gonna get us more dirt, okay? There, you're done? Good job. Is it cute? All right, now this one. One more. Ready? Let's see if you can pull it out. How do you pull it out? I showed you. Be nice, don't pull. Okay, there you go. There you go. There, and this one's supposed to grow out like that one, right?
Yes.
Like that one in the house. So, good job, you 5. Alright guys, so this one right here, if you guys... Okay, I'm going to show it to the vlog. If you guys see my normal channel just by myself, I did a Target haul and I bought these for $5 each. And I think that one was 3 and this one was 5. I ended up getting the flowers at Walmart. These are house flowers, so they belong inside. And you don't need a lot of water on them. As long as you feel that they're not dry, you add some water. But I'm gonna hang this one. It's so cute. This is how it looks. If you've seen my haul already on my main channel, if you haven't, then go check it out. The link is down below for my main channel. You can go subscribe, or you guys can just check out my Target haul. And is she copying everything I say?
Correction, is called not a inside a flower. It's a indoor plant.
What's the difference?
Flower. It's not a flower.
Oh, it's a plant. You like yours? This one's really pretty. I love how this one looks.
No.
These were like $2.90 something, almost $3. Each flower, each plant at Walmart. So those are pretty cheap there. I would recommend you go to Walmart because if you go to Home Depot and stuff, they're kind of more expensive, right? Like $4. That was the end of this vlog. Hit that subscribe button right there, and don't forget to check out our previous vlog if you haven't, and we'll see you in our next vlog.